Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 6 of the Gmail series. In this video we are going to see how you can create labels in Gmail. By creating and tagging labels to your mails, you can see those mails directly by clicking on that label, which makes it easier to find, and it also keeps your inbox clean. So, let's see how we can do this. Move to the side panel in your inbox and click on this More option. And then scroll to the bottom of the page and select Create New Label. Here, enter the label name and click on Create. Now, scroll upwards here. You can see the label that you have created. You can also create a sublabel as well by selecting this nest label under and then select the parent label here. Once the labels have been created, now to map these labels to the mail, click on any mail that you want to add in the label and then click on this labels option and select the label and then apply. This mail will then be added in that label. So, this is how you can create labels. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.